Hey everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm so looking forward to the upcoming 4-day Microloc Bootcamp Challenge. And before we get started, I just wanted to share some frequently asked questions. And just a side note, you can go to microlocbootcamp.com and scroll to the bottom of the page, and you will also see some common answers to frequently asked questions, as well as our contact information if you want to shoot us an email. Welcome to the people who have joined. Me and my team are looking to get started with you on Monday, November 10th. Now, the boot camp will run from 4 days, November 10th through November 13th, Monday through Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What it includes is a daily workbook each day. The Bootcamp Challenge is an interactive experience designed to support anyone at any level to achieving their best results. People from novice, DIYers, first timers, all the way through established hair professionals. So it does not matter if you don't have a certain skill level. No, this bootcamp is not our certification training. However, it will provide you with valuable information, resources, and skills to benefit you whether you are in our main program or not. In this bootcamp, program information and details are given to those desiring to be a part of any of our programs. Bootcamp attendees will receive special offers and opportunities and will be provided for those interested in enrolling in our certification program. This is not our certification. Our certification program is much more extensive, much more information, and technique support. Okay, our certification program we've created to be extremely thorough. It would be unfair for me to try to pack something in such a short period of time as far as technique, enough for certifying you to do this on a pro level. You are totally equipped with installation to repair to refinement to everything. But what you will get in this boot camp is support and a lot of fundamental information that is going to help you understand in all those areas what's important to know and how to have a plan to address it, but it's going to also be specific to your goals. So come to this boot camp prepared to talk about your goals and whether it's for yourself, whether it's for your business, we're going to tell you what you need to get that best level for that goal. If you engage with us and do this as interactive as possible, you will see results towards that goal pretty significantly. If you do the boot camp, give it a chance, be engaged, and maximize. How long is each boot camp session? Each boot camp session will run for about an hour each day, give or take, depending on how many questions and how much feedback and participation. Plan about an hour. And on day number 4, we have some bonuses and we have some information, and we do go over all of our extensive programs. So if you want that information, it's probably going to run a little over an hour. So maybe plan to be an hour and a half, but that last session might be a little longer, and it's worth it because we give you something very, very special at the end. Come prepared to win prizes, come prepared to meet new people, meet our team of coaches. Will you be able to get the training material if you cannot attend the session live? Yes. Yes, you will be able to get the training material. You will be provided with access to bootcamp recordings if you cannot attend live in person, but for the best interactive experience, it is recommended to attend each session live with your video and mic enabled, please, so we can see you. We will ask to verify your participation. Again, this is interactive. There will be check-ins, daily challenges, and prizes for those who attend and participate live. Our tools and supplies provided. You will be given daily workbooks, handouts, forms, and homework challenges. However, you will not receive our hair locking tools or training supplies for this boot camp challenge. This challenge is a supportive and interactive experience designed to get you your best results, whether you are a client or professional. You do have opportunity to win supplies and gift sets if you participate live. Those who enroll in our program do get full supplies, our proprietary hair locking tools. You will not have to buy a thing If you enroll in our program, additional, you will get all of that sent to you. That is reserved for people in our full program who are ready to jump in with extensive help and support, because I always feel that in order to get the best level, the best level of skill, you absolutely have to have a formal, very good training program. We're not a money grab. We are an actual foundational certification program for Microlocs. The foundational program, the first certification program in the world. We've laid the foundation. We're not going to lay a shoddy foundation. Just like we do for the industry, we're not laying a foundation shoddy for ourselves or anyone else. So we want to make sure that we give you as much information as possible. I still look forward, and our team looks forward to seeing you start with us on Monday, November 10th. Remember, if you enroll, you get a free signed copy of the Microloc Standards book. If you've already purchased that book, you get 50% off the bootcamp. So just email us at info@microlocmastery.com and show your proof of purchase. Or just tell us your name if you purchased it direct from us, or show your Amazon receipt wherever you purchase, and we'll go ahead and give you 50% off code so that you can join with us with your book already. Look forward to seeing y'all. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Bye.